Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC wired, ensuring a stable gaming experience. First, gather your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller. Next, find a micro USB cable. The one that came with your PS4 works perfectly. Finally, make sure your personal computer is on and ready to go. You are almost there. Now let's make the physical connection. Find the micro USB port, which is a small, rectangular opening on the top edge of your PlayStation 4 controller, right between the light bar and the touchpad. Gently plug the smaller end of your micro USB cable into this port. Then, take the larger, standard USB end of the cable and insert it into any open USB port on your personal computer. It should fit snugly. Once connected, your Windows personal computer should recognize the controller automatically within a few seconds. To verify, open your PC's device manager. You can usually find this by searching for Device Manager in the Windows Start menu. Look under Human Interface Devices for an entry like HID-compliant game controller. This indicates a successful wired connection, ready for your gaming adventures. With your controller connected, many games, particularly those on Steam, will work instantly. Open Steam, go into Big Picture mode, and enable PlayStation configuration support for optimal performance. For games outside of Steam or for more advanced customization, you might explore free software like DS4 Windows. This application helps your PC interpret the PlayStation 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which many non-Steam games expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.